how much should you actually spend on an electric scooter? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others keep returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, VOLPAM electric scooter. First up is the VOLPAM electric scooter, priced at just $159.99. What caught my eye was its powerful 350W motor and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 1,000 reviews. If you want an affordable option for your daily commute, this is worth a serious look. This is perfect if you're looking to zip around town without worrying about running out of battery. The 8.5-inch solid tires give you stability on those city streets, and the dual braking system ensures you can stop quickly and safely, which is critical when you're navigating traffic. Plus, the smart app control means you can adjust 3 speed modes to match your riding style, making it ideal for both leisurely rides and fast-paced commutes. Now, some folks mention that the ride can feel a bit bumpy on rough surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you mostly ride on smooth pavement, it won't be a deal breaker. It's still a solid choice for day-to-day use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable scooter. Skip this one if you need a more cushioned ride on bumpy roads, but for the price, it's tough to beat the value here. Now, if the VOLPAM's rough ride concerns you, the next scooter on our list has a better suspension system. Product number 2, MaxShot electric scooter. Next up is the MaxShot electric scooter, coming in at $265.98. This one grabbed my attention with its dual suspension feature and the ability to reach speeds of 22 mph. If you want a smoother ride on a budget, this is a solid contender. The 10-inch honeycomb tires provide great shock absorption, which translates to a much more comfortable ride, especially on those uneven surfaces. Plus, with a UL 2272 certification, you can feel secure knowing it meets rigorous safety standards. The LED display and app control give you insights into speed and battery life right at your fingertips. Some users mention that the scooter feels heavier at 36 pounds, which can be a hassle for carrying. But honestly, the performance and comfort more than make up for it. If you're commuting regularly, the weight might not be a big issue. This is perfect for you if you want a comfy ride with good speed. Skip this one if portability is your top priority, but it's worth it if you value a smooth commute. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want high-tech features. Product number 3, Hibei S2 electric scooter. Now let's talk about the Hibei S2 electric scooter, priced at $352.99. What stood out to me was its impressive 4.3-star rating from 2,500 reviews, which speaks volumes. If you're after a reliable commuter scooter, this one is worth considering. This is great if you're using it for daily commutes or just heading to the store. The double braking system, which includes disc brakes and EABS, offers excellent stopping power. What's more, the Hibei app lets you lock your scooter and check battery stats, making it super convenient. However, a few reviewers mentioned the battery life could be better for longer distances. But here's the thing, if your daily route is within that 17-mile range, it's a non-issue. Plus, the solid construction makes it durable for daily use. This is perfect for you if you value technology and safety features. Skip it if you need something that can handle longer distances without charging, but it's an impressive choice for city riding. If you're after more speed and power, the next scooter might catch your interest. Product number 4, Avauhil electric scooter. Coming in at just $99.98 is the Avauhil electric scooter. It's super affordable and the vibrant graffiti design really caught my eye. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is definitely worth a look. With a 350W motor, this scooter hits speeds of 16 mph and can cover up to 16 miles per charge. The dual brakes provide solid stopping power, which is essential for safety. Plus, the smart app lets you customize speed settings, making it suitable for various skill levels. However, some users noted that the ride can feel a bit slow compared to other models. But honestly, if you're just cruising around the neighborhood or heading to class, it's perfectly adequate. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for something fun and stylish. Skip this if speed is your main concern, but it's a great entry-level scooter that won't break the bank. Now, if you're looking for something that packs more power, the last scooter on my list might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Hop Cycle Electric Scooter. Finally, we have the Hop Cycle Electric Scooter priced at $159.98. This caught my attention with its impressive range of up to 21 miles and a top speed of 18 mph. If you want a budget-friendly option with decent performance, this is one to check out. This scooter is equipped with a 500W motor, giving you a smooth and powerful ride. Plus, the smart app control allows you to lock the scooter and monitor your speed on the go, which is super handy. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it can take on a little rain without any worries. However, some users have mentioned that the charging time is a bit on the longer side. Here's the thing, for the price and performance, it's still a strong contender, especially if you don't mind waiting a bit for a full charge. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, affordable scooter that can handle daily commutes. Skip this if you need rapid charging, but it's a great deal for what you get. So there you have it, 5 excellent electric scooters under $500. From the budget-friendly Avauhil to the powerful Hop Cycle, each one has its strengths and weaknesses. No matter which one you choose, you'll find a reliable ride that fits your needs without breaking the bank.